hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to solve this Leetcode problem of the day. So as it is marked medium, but the approach or intuition behind this problem is very easy, and you all be like writing the code by your own if you like and understand how to approach this problem. So you all just have to bear with me till the end. So let's see how we can approach this problem. So let's use this. The question is very big, but let me explain it. 5 1 5 and k is equals to 22. So 5 1 5 and k is equals to 22. So what it is saying is, let's say these are all childrens having particular chalks with them. Okay, so index 0 1 2 have index 0 is 5 chalk, 1 chalk and 5 chalk, and this is the total amount of chalk that the teacher has. Let's say the teacher will start giving problems to the individual students, and this is the chalk which the student demands, okay, to solve the problem. So let's say the student I0 has demanded 5 chalk. Okay, we have 22, means we can satisfy this. So we will reduce the 22 to 5, like minus 5. So it will become 17. Now this process will run again and again and again. At a particular point of time, the situation came when this student will demand 5 chalk and our k, let's say k is left with 3. So we have to stop this process and we have to return the index. Like in this question it is said that, however, if the current number of chalk pieces is strictly less than chalk of I, if current point of like chalk, this what it is said, current number of chalk pieces means k is strictly less than the chalk of I, then the teacher will ask to replace the chalk. So we have to find the index of the student that will replace the chalk piece. Okay, so let me explain the intuition, like how we can solve this problem. So first of all, what we can do is, like, we can calculate the amount of chalk which is required by entire student. So that if it is like 100, then there is no need to calculate or run the entire loop again and again and again. Why? Okay, why? Because let's take an example like 5 1 6 5 5 10 and 11. So if we reduce the number of chalks one by one, so it will become 17, then 1 it will take, then it will become 16, then it will take 5, then it will become 11. So we know that this 11 is going to come if we directly reduce 11 from this, like k is equals to 22, means at one round we can reduce it. 22 minus 11 means we can complete one round without having any interruption, so it will give us 11. Now we will check that if k, let's say k is left with 11 and again our sum is equals to 11. Okay, we can again satisfy this, so we will again reduce it to minus 11, so it will become 0. So when we come at a 0th index, you will see that the chalk demanding the chalk which the student present at 0th index is demanding is 5, and we have 0th chalk. So this is the student who will replace the chalk piece. Okay, so let's see with another example. So another test case is 3 4 1 2 and k is equals to 25. 3 4 1 2 and k is equals to 25. So let's see, we have to do is we will be adding all our chalks. So 3 4 7 1 8 9 10, so sum is equals to 10. So we will be subtracting our k till k is greater than sum. So till k is greater than sum, then we will be subtracting. So 25 minus 10, which is 15. So still k is greater than sum, so we will again subtract. This becomes 5. Now we have completed 2 times and still we are remaining with 5 chalks. So we will be starting from 0th index and we'll be checking that what is the index on which the particular chalk the student is demanding, and we can't able to fulfill that. So if 0 is demanding 3, okay, we can fulfill that, so it becomes 2. Now 1 is demanding 4 chalk and we have 2. So this is the index where the student is going to replace the chalk. So we can see that the output is 1. So now let's look into the code. What I have done is I have initialized the total chalk. Why long? Because of the constraint. Like you can see that chalk of I is greater than like in the range 10 to the power 5. So uh, initialized or calculated the sum of all the chalks. Okay, then while k is greater than equal to total chalk, means while k is greater than sum or equal to, because in this case we can see that here sum is equals to 11 in this case, and 22 is greater, if we do 22 is greater than 11, then we will be like stuck in the case where k is equals to 11 and we still have 11 chalk. We can fulfill this, but because of this greater than condition we will not be able to fulfill, so we have to put equal to. Okay, so I hope this is clear. So now while k is greater than equal to total chalk, we will be subtracting k uh, by total chalk, and after that the amount which we left in k, we will start running a for loop, and at that point, means at particular point, while k means the total chalk we have is less than the chalk which is demanding by a particular student, then we will be returning I, else we will be subtracting the chalk and again running a for loop. So at last, if we able to fulfill all the chalk, then we'll be returning -1. Okay, so let's run this and let's submit. Okay, this is accepted. So that is the way we are going to solve this problem. So thank you for watching and having patience.